Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing our next installment of the MUA IG Instagram artist
Shout 'em out.
of the series.
Give them love.
Yeah. This is a series where basically we find a look on Instagram that we like and we are going to recreate it and of course tag the artist that we chose.
Yes.
What'd you
So
pick?
I picked All Things Pearls, and she is a self-taught makeup artist, has a YouTube channel, so we also link that down below. And the look I chose, fallish, green. I have the exact palette. So she used the JACLYN Morphe collab Vault, and she did Armed and Gorgeous. And it's like an olive green. On her, it's much darker than I know it'll be on me. So I'm going to use the Melt Cosmetics, a deep green in here, to kind of almost get that same olive green, but two different skin tones, so I'm just gonna have to work around it. But I just love the glitter that she used, so that's why I picked this.
I think it's pretty. It's a nice like low-key Christmas transition from fall look because of the browns and then the green. I'm like,
right.
Yes, bitch, yes. I did look very similar a couple of days ago just for like daily wear, and it reminds me of that. Just mine is like the glitter. Anyways, the person I picked her tag on Instagram is EYESHADOW, and I probably totally butchered that. She's actually from Bangladesh, so I was really interested to like try because most people I see are always like from the UK or like USA, so you know, I think that's cool. She has a Facebook group, and then her Instagram, I don't believe that she has a channel, but I will go and verify, and we'll put all their social media down below so you guys can see it. But she does a lot of like really pretty bold looks. I'm actually doing like a really safe, normal look for her. We're gonna stick with some royal blue. It's a nice cut crease. I just like the shape, and it has a nice wing liner in it. So let's see if I can do her some justice.
That's sharp. I love it. All right, let's get started.
I guess I'll go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion.
I should probably do the same. Okay, so it looks like she's doing some browns. So I want to say we got PROWL on the transition and then smoked that out with Smooth Criminal. And then we added Top Secret. So Top Secret is the one that I'm going to change up because on her it's much darker than what it would be on me.
It looks even dark for like what's actually in the pan. So are you going to pick up the new holiday palette?
I want that, not the, whichever one the dark side is.
MORPHE.
That is the one that I'm like,
the one that's blues and reds?
Yes. I just don't have a true red in my collection. I have shadows that are red in the pan, but when I put them on, they're like a pinkish red. I want like blood like red. Yes. Yeah.
We're going to cut little eye patches out for you for your eyes and put that on.
So I'm hoping that's going to...
Like I want to pick up both, obviously, because, you know, it's a palette collection that you should put both of them with because it makes the whole skull. Right. But I own the Gemini palette and the Smoke Sessions palette, so that's literally half of like one of the palettes. The other half is kind of like the Radioactive and the 27, and then the blues are from like that blue stack that she had. Let me go ahead and get my eyeshadow going. I'm gonna use the MOIRA Cosmetics. This is the Stargazer Dream Palette Series. You may have seen this in a 2-in-1 that we did. I did one of them. I don't remember which one it was. I don't think it was this one, but I'm gonna use STARRY in the crease. But the way I feel about that collection is two things. One, I love it. I think that the packaging is beautiful. I want it because of everything that the ideal of the collection is. And I'm just a packaging whore. And I love Melt. But at the same token, if you've already bought anything from Melt, you are going to get duplicate things in this collection because essentially it's the same. And I'm sure they're not like exact dupes. I'm sure they're slightly different, but that's the vibe I'm getting.
So I'm using PROWL on a Morphe E22 brush, and I'm putting that in my crease area.
This is kind of like a cut crease, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with my e.l.f. concealer. This is in a Fair Bausch.
So what I've been doing lately is, because we already talked about how Sephora is doing those points where you get the $25 coupon. I've been saving those, and then when there's a palette that I want, I just use that because then it's like dirt cheap compared to Sephora prices for a palette.
That's true. I need to get on that and actually use them because I have like 3,000 points that I need to put. Just like so burned out on Sephora. Like I just, like mainstream makeup, I'm just like, if I could go completely off grid and be indie, I would.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my Morphe 170-2 to cut this crease.
All right, I'm gonna dive into Agent, and I'm using a Morphe R38 brush. Going in with the Sephora Pro Smoky Shadow Brush number 30 and diving into the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Obsession palette, and this is the shade Space Queen. We're gonna put that all on the lid. And it looks like we're gonna raise it just a little bit above the crease.
So I was just using the Morphe E38 bent liner brush to clean up that cut crease and just make the starry shade a little bit more pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and go into DAZE all over the lid. So I'm gonna pick up my Sephora Pro 14 to kind of get the general shadow on there, and then I'll go in with a finer, probably that same angle brush to clean it up at the crease meat.
Then just because I feel like it is the top secret shade in here, we're just gonna do Top Secret on top of Space Queen. Space Queen kind of gave me the dark base that I would need.
I'm actually gonna not take that liner brush. I'm gonna use just a small little crease brush, and this is the M149.
So we're gonna add the Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Gold Goddess. So it looks like it goes to a very fine point first. I'm telling y'all, glitter takes time, but it does help the look. Now in this, I think she used loose glitter, but I didn't have the same glitter she used. So I was like, well, we can improvise. And then we got some glitter in the inner corner, and then definitely have some lashes. So we're just gonna go back in with the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes in Witchy Vibes.
She used liquid liner in this because I'm so glad I was like, what do I do with this outer corner? So I'm going to use my tattoo liner in Trooper from Kat Von D. And then I can't really see how she did like the bottom lash line because it's just a closed eye look. So I'm not going to do anything to my lower lash line. I'm just going to take some ColourPop cream gel liner when I get done with this Kat Von D and just run it in the water lines.
So I'm taking Guilt Trip on the ABH, this is I think the A23, yeah, brush, and I'm just using that to highlight. And then for lip, I'm going to go with something a little bit more on the nude side, but also kind of glossy. So this is the ABH lip gloss in Sepia.
Gonna use the TRESTIQUE mascara to prep for lashes. We're gonna be using some TATTI TL6s, and then lip is gonna be BELLEGANT Cuddle Weather because she did not have a lip in this look, so I was like, well, a nude color makes sense.
Yeah, like my picture also does not have a lip showing, so.
Chip has been waiting for 45 minutes.
Nah.
Very long time.
Like 40. I'm kidding. Well, here we are. So this is our makeup artist inspiration. Yeah, I see it.
I like yours a lot.
I love the blue. Look at that cut.
That's a good blue. I tried so hard on that cut. Like, hers is perfect.
You did good.
This is a good palette, though, if you want, like, some nice deep blues and greens and some nice, like, light pinks. It's a good one.
I mean, you're really good on, like, the color matching to her photo. So that's really good.
Hey.
Right? I'm just like, I'm going to try my best.
I like yours. I think it came out perfect because, you know, you have a much deeper skin tone than hers. It would have been really hard for you. Melt's just as good. Just as good. Go ahead and jump into close-ups now so you can see how we did up next to our goal photo.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the makeup artists that we have tagged down below. Show them some love as well. And if you did enjoy this, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Join the family.
Get a little sugar and spicy cookies, please. Yes. We need y'all.